Okay. All right. Red Scorpion out here in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Got a memorial ride for an unfortunate road rage outcome between a motorcyclist and a pickup truck. Alec Boothby is the name of the motorcycle rider. And we got a pretty big turnout here. We're at the City Limit Sports Bar in Port St. Lucie. There's Red Scorpion right there. A lot of sport bikes out here. He was a sport bike rider. You know, never met him, never knew him, but just as a motorcyclist, we just come out here to pay respects. I think we're probably going to have a police escort. Got Port St. Lucie police over there, one car. And that's about it. We'll get back to you in a bit once we get started. Boothby Memorial Ride. Sunday, September 26th. We're supposed to roll out at 1 p.m. It's a little after 1 now, but we get organized soon and get on the road. We'll get back to you then. Hello, YouTube. We're out here in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Alec Boothby Memorial Ride. We got all these bikes out here, escorted by Port St. Lucie Police. We're going to be rolling up to the crash site. We're going to do an open shopping mall for a moment of silence. Then we're going to be rolling by his grandfather's place to pay respects. Then we'll be headed back here, and they'll have some function after the ride, right over there in city limits. Like I said, I never knew him, but it's a tragedy, road rage between a pickup truck and a motorcyclist. And you know, we always say, if you're on two wheels, you're already at a great disadvantage. But that guy in the pickup truck actually ran him into the guardrails and killed him. So, but this is just celebrating his life. So stick with us. We're going to see how much of this footage we can catch heading out here on the road. We're going to try and tail gun this ride as far back as we can before we have to get out in line. As soon as they get rolling, we'll see. We'll be back with you in a bit.
out here. See all the bikes coming out. And we're going to tuck in on the tail gun. Okay, we got to get into single file here. Alright, we're going to watch them roll by. All these motorcyclists will all come together for one purpose. YouTube, this is going to be a lot of footage to get through. It's going to be a long time editing this, I can just tell. We're trying to catch as much of this as I can on the helmet cam and on the trunk cam and go from there. Get up here, I think we're going to be on a 2-lane road and we're just going to be behind everybody. Alright, we're coming up to the tail end of this tribute ride, memorial ride. At the least, it's been interesting. I am pleased to see the turnout. Many of these people, like they said at the first briefing, don't know him, including me. I don't know him, never heard of him before. But maybe as a motorcycling community, you know, we could, same way we come out for a sport bike rider after his passing, maybe we ought not to differentiate between what type of machine each of us ride, and just know that we're two-wheel adventurers and not push anybody aside while they're alive, you know. Anybody on two wheels, just let them know that they're part of the brotherhood, whatever they ride. Even the loud Harleys and large sport bikes that I don't like. Bottom line is we're all motorcyclists. So let's not wait till one of us die for all of us to get together and pay tribute. Let's pay tribute while we're all alive and out here enjoying our favorite pastimes. What do you think about that? I know one among our YouTubers is a multifaceted rider. He rides tours, different generations, and he still has his sport bike. You know I'm talking about you two-wheel for fun. Yeah, so let's just embrace each other, all the motorcycle riders, while we're still alive. Let's not wait till one of us dies to do it. Alright, YouTube, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. Ghost Rider, Red Scorpion. Rest in peace, Alex Boothby.